Hello everyone, welcome back to our virtual class. In last lecture, we learned index number, introduction of index number and definitions of index number. Today we are going to learn the next part of this chapter, that is features of index numbers. Okay, what is index number? Index numbers are one of the most used statistical tools in economics. An index number is a device to measure changes in an economic variables over a period of time. What are the economic variable? What is economic variable? An economic variable is any measurement that helps to determine how an economy functions. For example, population growth rate, that is poverty rate, birth rate, that are economic variable. Economic variable is any measurement that helps to determine how to economy functions. Okay, index number are usually applied in statistical device to measure the combined fluctuations in a group related variables, right? Group related variables. For example, suppose if researcher want to compare the price level of consumer items today with that predominant 10 years ago. They are not interested in comparing the price of only one atom, but in comparing some sort of average price levels, right? With the support of index number, the average price of several atoms in 1 year may be compared with the average price of the same quantity of the same article in the number of different years. Okay, that is index number. So today we are going to learn features of index numbers. Then index number is one of the index numbers are one of the most useful statistical tools in economics. As we know, it is a statistical device. Okay, to measure. We learned two definitions of index numbers, and summing up to that these two definitions. What is index numbers? To measure changes in a situation, we combine the prices and qualities and find a single number, right? To measure changes in a situation, we combine the prices and qualities and find a single number, and this single number which shows overall changes in a phenomenon is known as index number. Okay, what are the features of index number? Index numbers are a special type of average, right? It is a statistical device, so it is a special type of average, whereas mean, all our knows what are the mean, median and mode, right? Whereas mean, median, mode measure the absolute changes and are used to compare only those series which are expressed in the same unit. The technique of index number is used to measure the relative changes in the level of a phenomenon where the measurement of absolute is not possible and the series are expressed in different types of atoms. That is the first feature of index numbers. Second is the technique of index numbers measures changes in one variable or group related variable. One variable or group related variable. For example, one variable can be price of wheat. Okay, one variable. It is a one variable can be the price of wheat, and the group of variables can be the price of sugar, the price of milk, the price of salt. That is a group. So one variable and group related variable. The technique of index numbers measures one variable or group related variables. Third is Index number is used to study the change in effects of factors which cannot be measured directly, right? For example, the general price level is an imaginary concept and is not capable of direct measurement, but through the technique of index number, by index number, it is possible to have an idea of relative changes in the general price level, right? By measuring relative changes in the price level of different commodities. Okay, the next point is the techniques of index number is used to compare the levels of phenomena on a certain date with its level on some previous date. Is used to compare the levels of a phenomena on a certain date with its level on some previous date. For example, the price level in 1980 as compared to that in 1960, taken as the base year, taken at the base year, or the level of phenomena at different places on the same date. For example, the price level in India in 1980 in comparison with that in other countries in 1980. So, the index number is used to compare the level of phenomena on a certain date with its level on some previous date, right? The year, base year, we study here a base year. The year for which the index number is prepared is the current year, right? Prepared is the current year. The year with which the changes are measured is called the base year. What is base year? What is base year? The base year is defined as that year with reference to which the price changes in other years are compared. What is base year? The base year is defined as that year with reference to which the price changes in other years are compared and expressed as percentages. The base year should be normal year. Base year should be normal. It is a current year. So, base year should be a normal year. In other words, it should be free from abnormal conditions like wars, floods, political instability, etc. So the base year can selected in two ways, that are fixed base method and chain base method. What are the two methods? That is through fixed base method and through chain base method. What is through fixed base method? In which the base year remains fixed. Base year remains fixed. And what is chain base method? In which the base year goes on changing. For example, for 1980, the base year will be 1979. Second example, for 1979, it will be the 1978, and so on. So, through chain base method, in which the base year goes on changing, For example, of chain base method. Okay. Next is index number are also referred to as barometers of economic activity. Barometers of economic activity, since it is used to measure the trends and changes in the economy. Index number are also referred to a barometer of economic activity, since it is used to measure the trends and changes in the economy. The index number are known as economic barometer or economic indicators, since they help in understanding the changes in economic condition of the society. Barometer can also be used to measure behavior at the consumer level. That is barometer of economic activities. Okay, these are the features of index number. Now there are four types of index numbers, that is uh, price index numbers, quality index number, and value index number. And the fourth one is special purpose index number. What is price index number? It measures the relative changes of prices of the products or commodities between any two time periods. What is price index number? It measures the relative changes of prices of the products or commodities between any two time periods. It helps to interpret the variations of economic and business conditions over a period of time. Second is quantity index number. Second is quantity index number. It measures the relative changes of physical quantities of goods or commodities that are produced, used, or sold. What is quantity index number? It measures the relative changes of physical quantities of goods or commodities that are produced, used, and sold. The goods or commodities can be single atom or group of atoms, that is one variable or group related variable. Right? That is quantity index number. Third is value index number. Value index number. This is an index number is the ratio of the aggregate value means total value of a given commodity in the current year and its value in the chosen base year. Base year, that is a current year. So this is an index number is the ratio of the aggregate value of a given commodity in the current year and its value in the chosen base year. Fourth is special purpose index number. What is special purpose index number? They are constructed with some specific purpose. Specific purpose. So it is called special purpose index number. For example, import export index number, share price index numbers, etc. That are the special purpose index number. So today we are learn features of index numbers and types of index numbers. I hope you all are understand all these.